Welcome to the Daily Gun Show. We are live at SHOT Show 2026, bringing you the latest news and updates.
Some of the drones we saw included these that were FPV drones and standard drones and kind of a medium size, as well as this one that deploys from a tube. These drones have screens, so they could potentially convey information from the drone. That one has a chain on it because it's hanging from the ceiling. This is an interesting way to deploy a large drone from the top of a trailer that's designed for being a control station and a command center. This is a drone that has a tether and deploys from that box, but that box is on a robot, kind of trailer behind a robot. And this is a disposable, single-use, deployable drone that can be used, sometimes I think up to 6, she said, at a time from one operator, and designed to just be used one time. So lots of interesting drone stuff. Drones are definitely the future. The U.S.-made drones are designed for law enforcement and military, so that's what was on display at SHOT Show. Nothing commercial at all. Really nothing for hunters. All military law enforcement applications.
From SHOT Show 2026, for the Daily Gun Show, I'm your host. We'll see you tomorrow.